Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Biology Adventures with Navya and Tanish. So, we are learning about nutrition in plants, right? So, we seen how the process of obtaining food and use it for the growth, repairing, and all. So, there are different types of modes of nutrition we seen. Autotrophs, heterotrophs. Autotrophs means self. Okay, so self preparation anamata, which plants prepare their own food, not depends on any others. So that we all come under autotrophs, and heterotrophs means depends on others. So living organisms which depends on others for the food, we call it as heterotrophs. And then we seen parasitic nutrition means which plants or steals the food from others, right? So that we call it as parasitic nutrition. And then we see saprotrophic nutrition. So what is saprotrophs? So this depends on dead and decaying matter. Clear? Now, so this class, what my Tanish observed, so he's seen some plants which are eating insects. Yes, that's true. Plants are eating insects. He used to observe the nature, right? That's why all that amazing things of nature only can seen by my Tanish. Clear? So yes, that is also one type of nutrition that we call it as an insectivorous. Insectivorous plants or insectivorous nutrition. So insectivorous nutrition. Name itself you can observe, insect means the insects, all that small insects, the bees, butterflies, whatever the insects are present in nature, all that we call it as insects. Orous means eating. Okay, eating. So insectivorous mode of nutrition means the plants which are eating the insects. So then obviously you all getting doubt why plants are eating insects. Means they can't prepare their own food. I'll see the pictures. Okay, now you can see the pictures. Seen, right? They are green in color. Clear? They're green only, and so they can prepare the food. So what is the problem? Why those plants are eating insects? Yes, if they lack, what they lack? Nitrogen. Means if the plants living in the soil which lack this nitrogen or minerals. Okay, so some plants are living in a soil, so in that soil it lacks minerals, especially nitrogen. Nitrogen is very important compound for the plants, right? So if any plants are living in the soil, so in that soil which are and all absent? Minerals and the nitrogen. So those plants, to get that nitrogen and minerals, so what they developed one mechanism, so that is what they, who will fall on the plants, not humans, not animals, right? Only small insects can sit on the leaves and all. So what it will do, so it is like something, okay, like this. And when the insect, just imagine, or like this. Okay, so this is an insect. When that insect fall, sit on the leaves and all, so what it will do, like this, when the insect sit on that leaf, it suddenly closes. Yes, so then through that it digests that insects. From that insects it collect minerals and the nitrogen. So like that they live healthy, right? If they got sufficient amount of minerals and all the compounds of water, the sunlight, then only they can prepare their food and they also can live healthy, right? So, but the plants which are living in the soil, they lack nitrogen and minerals. So, those plants, they developed one mechanism. They trap that insects. Okay, so they will trap that insects. From that insects, they will collect what they want. Clear? So this type of nutrition, we call it as the insectivorous nutrition. Okay, so those plants, we call it as insectivorous plants. So example, pitcher plant. Pitcher plant. So I'll give you that photos, you can see. Okay. So this is the main example of that insectivorous plants, pitcher plants, and one more, Venus trap, Venus flytrap plant. So these are the best examples for that insectivorous plants or nutrition. Clear? So these are the examples of the insectivorous plants. Then suddenly Tanish asked me, why nitrogen? Why plants require nitrogen? These are all not needed, but okay, he got doubt and everyone may also think, why we need nitrogen? Even we also need nitrogen, right? No. Okay, what we need? We need carbohydrates. Okay. Then proteins. Main, everyone need proteins, vitamins. Okay. All this, right? Main. So do you know about proteins? How it is made up of? What is the use of proteins? We get strength, the muscle build up, everything we need proteins, right? So these proteins are made up of nitrogen. To make that proteins, we require nitrogen. Without that nitrogen, we can't, body or plants can't make proteins, right? Even plants also require proteins, carbohydrates, everything, right? So how they can make proteins without nitrogen? So that's what nitrogen is very important. And those plants which are living in a soil, so those soil have little amount of nitrogen. So that plants, they developed this type of trapping the insects and collecting nitrogen from that insects. So that type of nutrition we call it as insectivorous mode of nutrition.